Okay, part 2 of the infix. And this part is going to show the examples from the part 1 definitions, okay? Uh, let's see. The first sentence we have, ginagmaing pagkapalit nila sa mga balas, okay? Ginagmaing pagkapalit nila sa mga balas. And this one you should already know, right? We talked about why the ga infix is there along. See how this is a classic example of two or double infixing, okay? The in infix and the ga infix, okay? The in, gina, maing, but because we have a ga infix there, ginagmaing, right? So we can already know that something is going to be plural somewhere, okay? It's an adjective that's been infixed with the in infix, but infix again with the ga infix. So ginagmaing pagkapalit nila sa, oh, here it is, mga balas. There you go. Mga balas. There's the plurality there, mga balas. So they, little by little, they bought sand, right? They bought it. Again, it's that classic example of the piece by piece, little by little, continuous, the continuous or progressive kind of aspect, okay? In the past, a continuous one that was ongoing. Next one we have pinalit ba ni o hinatag ba ni? So this again can translate to was this bought or was this given as a present, right? The in infix. Had this been bought or had this been given? Boom. This next sentence we have is sinugba niya ang isda. Kauntag sinugbang isda, apil pa ang inasin inasin nga karne. So sinugbang where is this? Okay. Oh, here it is. Sinugba niya ang isda. First sentence. Kauntag sinugbang isda, apil ang inasin nga karne. Okay, so many tongue twisters there. But sinugba niya ang isda is that first sentence, and the verb here, sugba means to grill. So, or to grill or to barbecue, something like that. Like sinugba, like to grill a fish right here. And it's that. So sinugba was that the grill the fish had been grilled, or the fish had been grilling. It's an ongoing kind of continual aspect right there. It was a continual aspect that was happening already, right? Sinugba niya ang isda. The fish had been grilled, or he had been grilling that fish. Kauntag sinugbang isda. So let's eat grilled fish, right? Because sinugbang isda is grilled fish, coming from sinugba, which sugba, right? The grill that was doing the fishing. So sinugbang isda is grilled fish. Apil pa ang inasin nga karne. So join or add in I guess you can say join in or come together with the salted meat. Okay, so inasin nga karne, salted meat. Asin, salt. Inasin, something that's been salted already. It's been ongoing and had been salted. Inasin nga karne. So it's meat that had been salted already, or had been ongoing or previously salted, right? I don't know how long ago it was, but it's just been salted continually in the past sometime, in that progressive form, okay? And the last sentence we have here is, saniyang hinilag, nagbusog, nagyud ang tubig sa sapa. So this first clause, let's talk about it. Saniyang hinilak, from her crying. Yeah, saniyang hinilak, from her crying. Hilak is the verb here, to cry. We put that in, we conjugate it with the in infix, okay? And that in infix tells us that, okay, this verb is now had been ongoing sometime in the past. It's been ongoing, it's been progressive, right? We don't know how long, but it's just a continual aspect in the past, okay? Continual. So because she kept on crying and crying, or because of her crying, nagbusog na gyud ang tubig sa sapa. So the water in the creek, right, the water in the creek had already risen, or had been increasing. Okay, nagbusog, nagyud ang tubig sa sapa. So because she cried a lot, She cried a river pretty much, right? She cried a lot. Nabusog na ang tubig sa sapa. O nabusog na gyud ang tubig sa sapa. Uh-oh, the water in the creek sapa had already risen or had been bloated. Boom. And last here on the bottom, I just want to show you some morphological processes, right? Some morphology that's been going on here. Some words like this, like gikan, can be infixed with the an and in endings, right? Ginikanan, which means parents, right? And then you get words like that. Gikan just means to come from somewhere. And ginikanan, we know it as parents. Okay, so you came from your parents, right? Boom. Igsuon means brother or sister, but inigsuon can mean something like sisterly or brotherly, like a sisterly advice or brotherly advice, right? Inigsuon. Paagi is like a way or some sort of path or a way to go somewhere or a road to go somewhere, right? Pinaagi is a way by means of, or the manner of going there, or the way by means of going to somewhere down the road. Okay. For here we have a morphological process. It's simple. Okay, so look at the morphology right here. Kamot means hand. If we infix this with this noun with the in infix, we get something called kinamot, right? Kinamot. And kinamot means doing something with the hands. Whether you're going to eat with your hands, you're going to dig with your hands, you're going to do something with your hands, right? You're going to it's by the way or by the manner of doing with your hands. Kinamot, right? So when I hear kinamot, okay, I have to do something with my hands now. I don't know what it is, but it's in the manner of doing something by means of my hand. Okay? Maningkamot, we get that word. Maningkamot means to strive hard, right? Again, kamot, in, mang, right? Mang. That mang prefix can get infixed with the in infix, right? And we can affix it to kamot. So we get the mang prefix with the in infix as the maning affix to kamot. Maning kamot, okay? Similar ones, you can change that ma to a pa or that ma to a na. Naningkamot, paningkamot, maningkamot. Boom. You can start affixating your words like crazy once you get the hang of things. So maningkamot, and that's where we get it from. To do something with your hands and work hard with your hands, to strive hard, right? Boom. And last but not least, it's this classical kinahanglan, right? Kinahanglan comes, we know kinahanglan to mean to mean to need something, to do something, right? I need something, or to have to do, or to must do, or to need something, right? To must need. It comes from this word here, hangol, right? Hangol. And hangol, we know hangol to mean something like very greedy, very needy, right? Something that you really want, very wanting, very greedy. You know, that greediness because we want to do it and we need it so badly, right? Or even just like to eating your heart's content out, or like greedily eating all this food. It's just that expression of just being greedy, right? We want it, we want it, we want it. It's mine, 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 right? Well, we can start conjugating and affixating this, right? Hangol to hangolan. And we can even circumfix it with kahangolan. But again, in Cebuano, because there are too many vowels, we don't want that last vowel when we're going to affixate it with ka, something, something an, right? So instead, we morphologically delete that o sound, that o vowel, which is the last vowel, and we get something that's kahanglan, kahanglan, right? Down here, kahanglan. Great. Now we can infix it with the in infix, okay? Kinahanglan, kinahanglan, and that's what we get. And so from greed, we get need, right? From greed, we get need, kinahanglan. So I hope this kind of looks into a bigger picture of how you can start affixating with the in infix.